August 22nd, 2022. Oklahoma City. What started as a routine eviction at a residence turned into a before the pursuit even began. Benjamin Plank did not just resist. He opened fire on deputies the moment they stepped onto his property, killing one and critically wounding another. But this was no heat of the moment reaction. Plank had already packed his truck with a heavy arsenal, prepared for a war. Now the chase is on, and officers are pursuing a man who has already proven he has nothing left to lose.
Hey, let me slide around you. I got a rifle. Hey, who's on front of the TV on train?
Get off the radio. Shots fired. He's shooting out of his window.
Everybody back off except for that front car. Let's give him a chance. Everyone's with y'all. You want me to call this? Yes, everyone call it.
Shots fired again. Shots fired. He's still shooting.
Boxwell is setting up a stationary overwatch. He is trading the safety of his cruiser for a steady shot on the ground.
Going to 25th.
With Boxwell missing his mark, the entire burden of this pursuit now falls on Sergeant Patton.
Shots fired. Shots fired. We're just here going by 40, northbound.
Plank is heading straight for the gate of Tinker Air Force Base. This choice is definitely not an accident. By pulling a high-speed chase into a high-security military zone, he is forcing a complete change in how this situation is handled. It creates a standoff where the local police have to deal with a whole different set of rules and authorities right now.
Tell him to get! Tell him to get! Move everybody! Get everybody out! Get on the ground! Tell him to get! Tell him to get! Move everybody! Get everybody out! Hey!
Stop! Bro, stop! Stop!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. I can't.
Get on your stomach.
Oh! Bro!
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
I'm dead.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Bro, I'm dead. Bro, I'm dead.
Put your hands behind your back!
You're down there. Stop. It's over. I'm dead. Ah! You just...
The chase ended at the gate, but for the local sheriff's office, the tragedy was just beginning. Inside that truck, investigators found a whole bunch of high-powered rifles. This proves Benjamin Plank planned this whole thing way before any officers even showed up at his door. He is now facing a long list of charges, including first-degree murder and shooting with intent to kill. One officer sadly lost his life during the shooting at the house, and another was seriously hurt, but is expected to recover. This whole situation shows how a simple eviction notice can turn into a war zone in a split second. Our hearts go out to the officers and their families during this incredibly difficult time. As always, remember that every suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.